Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate budget-friendly home decor makeovers, proving that you don't need a massive bank account to achieve a high-end look. We are taking forgotten, everyday items right out of the donation bins and breathing new life into them using gorgeous, rustic cottage-style elements. If you love sustainable interior design and affordable decorating ideas that make your home feel warm, collected, and full of history, you are in the exact right place. Let's unlock the massive potential hidden in secondhand pieces and turn literal trash into timeless treasures. Our journey begins at the local Goodwill, where the furniture section is packed with outdated, scratched-up laminate and orange oak. When you're looking for high-quality rustic cottagecore decor on a budget, look past the ugly finishes and focus entirely on the silhouette and structural integrity. I managed to score an old, beaten-up wooden nightstand and a primitive English pine stool for less than $20 total. These pieces have incredible bones, and with a few beginner-friendly techniques, we are going to completely elevate them into luxurious inspired decor for less. Remember, a little surface wear is actually a blessing because it adds instant character to our final design. Before we even touch a paintbrush, proper preparation is the absolute key to making an inexpensive thrift flip look like an expensive boutique antique. I'm starting by giving these pieces a thorough cleaning with a heavy-duty degreaser to remove decades of built-in grime and old furniture wax. Next, a quick scuff sanding with medium grit sandpaper ensures our new coats will adhere perfectly without peeling down the road. If there are any deep gashes that don't fit our weathered farmhouse aesthetic, a bit of spackling paste or wood filler smooths them right over. Taking these extra few minutes during prep completely eliminates the cheap, amateur look and sets us up for an incredibly professional result. To achieve that authentic, matte cottagecore kitchen and living room vibe, we are skipping the expensive specialty store paints and mixing up our own custom DIY chalk paint. By combining everyday latex paint in a dreamy warm white with a little bit of calcium carbonate or fine talc powder, we get a beautifully thick, ultra-matte medium. For this project, I'm mixing a custom sage green and a soft cream color palette to evoke that peaceful, romantic French country ambience. This homemade chalk paint goes on smoothly, hides minor surface imperfections effortlessly, and provides the perfect base for the beautiful distressed detailing we will add later. To give our freshly painted furniture that coveted, high-end weathered look, we are using a two-step distressing and antiquing process that mimics decades of natural wear. Once the custom chalk paint is completely dry, I use a fine-grit sanding block to gently rub away the paint on natural high-traffic areas, like the corners, raised molding, and edges, letting the raw wood peek through. To deepen the vintage dimension, we are applying a thin layer of dark antique wax with a fluffy wax brush, wiping away the excess with a clean microfiber cloth. This technique settles beautifully into the wood grain and recessed details, instantly transforming a flat paint job into a richly layered historical masterpiece. Now, let's pivot to small accent styling by tackling those cheap, transparent glass florist's vases that clutter up every single thrift store shelf for 99 cents. We are turning these generic glass containers into heavy, textured faux ceramic stoneware vessels that look like they came straight out of an artisan pottery studio. The secret trick is mixing a generous amount of common baking powder or joint compound right into a matte acrylic beige paint, which creates a thick, puffy, stone-like texture when brushed on. Once dry, a quick rub down with a damp cloth dipped in leftover coffee grounds or dark wax adds an organic, aged earthiness that is absolutely perfect for holding fresh spring florals. A quintessential element of any cozy cottage bedroom or living room is an eclectic collection of artwork, but buying large framed art retail is incredibly expensive. We are beating the system by sourcing cheap, ugly thrift store art just for their heavy, ornate frames, regardless of the terrible retro images trapped inside them. After giving the plastic or wood frames a quick transformation with metallic gold spray paint and a dark wax glaze, they look exactly like museum-quality gilded gold frames. We then print out copyright-free vintage botanical illustrations or classical oil painting reproductions on matte cardstock, framing them to create a jaw-dropping, high-end gallery wall for pennies. You cannot have a true cottagecore aesthetic without soft, layered textiles, so we are hunting the thrift store linens aisle for hidden cotton, linen, and lace treasures. I found a gorgeous, vintage pink gingham tablecloth and a delicate lace trim bundle that are perfect for adding soft comfort to our hard surfaces. With a little bit of fabric glue or simple beginner sewing, we are turning these secondhand textiles into custom pleated lampshades, dainty shelf edgings, and cozy throw pillow covers. These small, intentional fabric details soften the overall room design and introduce those beautiful, whimsical romantic influences that tie our entire country cottage aesthetic together beautifully. Let's bring this timeless style into the heart of the home by creating functional, beautiful cottagecore kitchen decor out of completely unexpected secondhand finds. I found a tarnished vintage silver gravy boat and a set of mismatched, chipped transferware plates that most people would completely walk past. Instead of hiding them, we are styling the plates on open wooden shelves and using the antique silver gravy boat right next to the sink to elegantly hold kitchen sponges. Repurposing these unique, historical items gives the kitchen an incredibly intentional, collected feel, proving that minor chips and natural patina only add to the rich storytelling of your home. Now that all of our individual trash-to-treasure thrift flips are complete, it is time for the absolute best part: pulling the entire room design together. We are arranging our newly distressed furniture pieces, the textured faux stone vases, and our gilded botanical artwork into carefully curated vignettes. To maximize the cozy, welcoming ambience, we are layering in natural elements like woven wicker baskets, glowing candles, and cascading houseplants to bring the space to life. The mix of different primitive wood tones, warm white surfaces, and antiqued brass accents creates a wonderfully rich, eclectic environment that feels deeply relaxing and beautifully high-end. It is truly incredible to look back at where we started and see how these forgotten, inexpensive items have completely transformed into timeless, high-end treasures. By choosing sustainable interior design and embracing budget-friendly home decor makeovers, you can curate a stunning, uniquely personal home without spending a fortune. I hope this video inspired you to look at thrift store garbage with fresh eyes, pick up a paintbrush, and start your very own creative DIY journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite flip of the day, and I will see you in the next video.